Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, dear students, and welcome back to a new lesson. Today's lesson is Unit 4 in Mega Goal 4 Students Book, and the title of the lesson is Form Meaning, that is page 64. So open your Mega Goal Students Book at page 64. Today's lesson is grammar, that's count and non-count nouns. Count and non-count nouns, أسماء المعدودة وغير المعدودة. Count nouns name things that you can count. I can say 1 carrot, 2 carrots, etc. They have singular and plural forms. So count nouns have singular and plural nouns. Singular count nouns like a burger, and the plural of it is 2 burgers, 2 burgers. An egg, and we have 3 eggs for plural, 3 eggs for plural. Non-count nouns name things that we can't count, like rice, tea, air, space, and so on. They do not use a or an, because a and an means one, and we can't count them, so we can't use a or an. They do not have plural forms, because we can't count them. They have no plural forms. Some nouns can be count or non-count. For example, I can say a salad or some salad, a soup or some soup. They can be both count and non-count. Yes. Mark the nouns with C for count. Mark the nouns for C for count or N for non-count. First one, meat. What do you think of meat? Is it count or non-count? Yes, non-count. N. Milk, also non-count. Ice cream. What do you think of ice cream? It's non-count. The meat is non-count, milk non-count, and ice cream is non-count. Banana, is it count or non-count? Yes, excellent. Count. Sugar, non-count. Juice, non-count. Yes. Banana is a countable noun, sugar is non-countable, and juice is non-countable. Yes. Let's move to number 3. Eggs. Eggs is countable. Cookie and cookies, countable. Pineapple and pineapples are count. So eggs is countable, cookie is countable, and pineapple is countable. Yes, let's move to another point. Expressions of quantity. Expressions of quantity, some and any. We usually use some in affirmative statements. We use some, we use the word some in the affirmative statements with count and non-count nouns. We use any in negative statements and in questions. We use any in negative statements and in questions. We use some and any with non-countable noun and with plural noun. For the affirmative, there is some juice, some juice. We use some before juice, and juice is uncountable noun. There are some fries. There are some fries. So some comes with a plural noun. For negative, there isn't any juice. Any juice. That's negative, non-countable. There aren't any fries. Negative, plural noun. For question, is there any juice? For questions, is there any juice? Are there any fries? So any comes with questions and negative, and some come with affirmative. Sometimes some is used in questions for offers. We use some in questions for offers. Do you want some pizza? Do you want some pizza? This is not a question, it is an offer. How about some coffee? That's a suggestion. How about some coffee? It's a suggestion or offer. Let's move to another point. Would like. Use would like for preferences. Use would like for preferences. What would you like? What would you like? I'd like a steak sandwich. Means what would you like to choose? Would you like some mustard on it? Yes, please. Or no, thanks. Let's move to an exercise that may consolidate our knowledge about some, any, and order, and would like. Complete the conversation. Use some, any, order, and would like. You can use the words more than once. Then practice with a partner. Omar, is this Gino's Italian restaurant? Is this Gino's Italian restaurant? Yes, it is. This is Tony speaking. This is Tony speaking. How can I help you? How can I help you? I want some food for delivery. What do you think the answer will be? I want to. We should use a verb. Use a verb in the infinitive. It is order. Excellent. I want to order some food for delivery. What space, you space, 2 words. What would you like? What would you like? I'd like minestrone soup and lasagna bolognese. I'd like, yes, some. Excellent. Do you have apple juice? Do you have apple juice? It is a question, and in the question we use what? Yes, excellent. Any. Sorry, we don't have, that's a negative statement. That's a negative statement. And with the negative statement we use some or any. Yes, any. Excellent. Any juice. Would you like coffee? That's an offer. That is an offer. And in the offer we can use some. Yes. Yes, please, 2 cups of hot coffee. Anything else? Yes, don't forget to include garlic bread. Garlic bread. It is uncountable noun, and we use, yes, some. Let's move to another exercise, and that is in Workbook, page 45. Look in the picture in M, that is the last question, that's the last exercise. Write about the food. Is there any juice? No, there isn't any juice. Pineapple, are there any pineapples? Yes, there are some pineapples. Let's for meat. Is there any meat? Is there any meat? And the answer will be yes, there is, or no, there isn't. Is there any ice cream? Yes, there is, or no, there isn't. Is there any meat? Yes, there is some meat. For eggs, are there any eggs? Are there any eggs? Because eggs is a plural noun. Yes, there are some eggs. Is there any ice cream? No, there isn't any ice cream. For sugar, is there any sugar? Yes, there is some sugar. That's all for today. Thank you very much for listening. Hoping you the best.